An Idaho marital settlement agreement is a divorce contract that determines the rights and responsibilities between spouses following the termination or dissolution of their marriage. It's typically used to split property and address financial and parental obligations. This video will focus on the importance of an Idaho marital settlement agreement, some key legal requirements, and how to obtain an official and fillable template. First, let's begin by discussing the importance of an Idaho marital settlement agreement. The marital settlement agreement outlines the basic terms of the divorce agreement, for instance, the division of shared property. The agreement is essential to establishing the distribution of such assets, alimony and/or child support, among many other terms and conditions. A mutually agreed upon settlement is greatly important as it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal trial in district court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, is required by the court when filing for an uncontested divorce, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the best interest of each spouse and their legal representation to reach an arrangement by using this agreement, provided the couple see eye to eye on the terms. This way the divorce can be quicker and more affordable, as opposed to undergoing a trial or hearing. Now let's briefly look at some of the legal requirements in Idaho. Idaho is one of the 9 states that have enacted community property laws. Community property laws state that all assets and money acquired by any of the spouses from the start of the marriage to the end is the property of the marriage, meaning each spouse automatically owns 50% interest in all of the assets, money, and debt that was acquired during the marriage. Community property is generally divided equally after a divorce, but it varies case to case. This dispersion will be applied by a judge if both spouses cannot come to mutual agreement. Finally, note that a marital settlement agreement can be used in Idaho to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, then they can file an uncontested divorce. An uncontested divorce typically involves one spouse, known as the filing spouse or petitioner, filing for divorce and citing his or her grounds for doing so. When filing, the spouse must have resided in Idaho for at least 6 weeks prior to commencing divorce actions. Idaho is also a no-fault state, in which the court will grant a divorce decree without requesting evidence of wrongdoing or a specific reason. Simply stating the marriage is incompatible or irrevocably broken is enough. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. We have created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Idaho marital settlement agreement. To get the official template that can be used to file for divorce in your nearest district court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.